We're getting ready to leave this very nice camping here near the Seine. €9.90 to stay here for a night for 2 people with a small tent and 2 bikes. Perfect for us.
And we're somewhere around where that star is at the campsite. This morning we're looking at heading back over the bridge and joining back onto the Eurovelo.
Welcome back to another exciting episode of Cooking Hobo Style. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you a French classic, cordon bleu baguette. You can pick up a couple of these for about €1.50. When it burns, it's time to turn it. Now that these are cooked, let's make our sandwiches. Bon appetit!
Yeah. Look at that. I'm hungry.
That's good.
Baguette burgers for dinner tonight.
A somewhat successful wild camping in the forest. We went up a hill towards the fields and camped alongside a field. Now we're here making some coffee and some breakfast in the park. Mel's completely over it. I think she's done wild camping, and with the heat it's quite hot. It's sort of above 35 degrees, so you know it's difficult.
That sucked last night. Like, I didn't enjoy pushing the bikes up the hill through the blackberry. We went off the main path and just pushed through heaps of blackberry.
It wasn't like there wasn't, I wouldn't say there was heaps of blackberry.
Yeah, there was. It was scratching me up and like the panniers got a hole in it now. I'm gonna have to stitch that up tonight.
So what's the plan for today?
Keep riding, find some internet.
Maybe some internet and a cold drink and some shade.
Yeah, we haven't been able to find a spot in the Seine to swim. I'm a little bit bitter about it.
It's pretty dirty though. Like,
yeah.
It's pretty
and
grubby.
It's possibly not allowed.
I think too much shipping and activity on the water, and perhaps could be dangerous. I mean, it's probably all manner of crap in that water.
Yeah.
Keep riding, man. Cool. Okay.
Why? The Velo has put pushed us on this highway.
So the story goes that we're off the bikes now. It's just gotten too hot and we've reached this nice little village of Lillebonne and we're about 30 kilometers from Le Havre. 38 kilometers from Le Havre. We just booked into a hotel, got off the bikes, and now we're gonna go get supplies. It's just so hot. The temperature today is 33 degrees, I think.
At this point in the afternoon, we just weren't going to make it to Le Havre.
We're not going to make it anywhere. Damn, man, that is hot. Off to the supermarket again, more supplies. Oh my goodness, it's hot in here, no air conditioning. Anyway, that's about all for today. I'm done. We'll pick up the story tomorrow from the road. Alright, so we're packing off the Senna Velo today. And we're going up towards the coast in a northwest way.
Our plan was to head to Brute, and we can see up ahead there's a cycleway posted all the way to Brute, 17 k's, and then on to Fecamp as well. However, we wanted to go slightly more northwest to get to Etretat, but Fecamp is further along our route and it means we cut a few days off.
Could be wild camping. But this is the route here, this one here. This one. It's not the Senna Velo, it's a different one. Let's go.
Yeah.
Here's an update from the road. We've decided to keep riding all day long. It's now 7 o'clock in the evening and we're trying to make it to the coast here in France so that we can sleep in a campsite. Oh, here comes a car. It's all like new seal here and they're driving pretty crazy over it. So, all going well. We got an hour to reach Fecamp and the campsite. I think we can do it. It's going to be cutting it pretty close. Otherwise we'll be sleeping in the potato fields. Yeah, we actually made it.
We made it!
50 k's today.
50 k's, big day.
We made it here in Fecamp. We are at the coast here in France. On the Normandy coast. It's very hilly and we expect today to be pushing the bikes uphill and over the hill to the next town. But before we do that, we're just here at the information center in Fecamp, getting the maps for the cycle route and also using a little bit of free Wi-Fi.